One problem that occurs in many systems is that you have a single stereo signal that needs to feed multiple amplifiers. This single stereo pair may need to feed a front, rear, and subwoofer amp. In high SPL systems, many bass amps will need to be driven from a single stereo pair output. This means if I try to take a 4-volt output and send that out to 3 or 4 different amplifiers, I'm never going to get the full dynamic range out of it, and I'm also not really going to get my system to perform to its full capabilities. You can use a matrix as a distribution amplifier to solve this problem, where you take a single weak stereo input into the matrix, and then out of the matrix you get 3 strong stereo outputs. When the matrix ships from the factory, it's set to let each channel pass through with the benefits of a line driver. That means channel 1 goes in and comes out channel 1. If you want to know how to make the matrix into a distribution amplifier, then listen closely. First, let's hook it up and see what it does. In this example, we'll only be dealing with one stereo pair. We need to use a stereo pair to feed a 4-channel and a 2-channel amp. First, we need to remove power, then grab a screwdriver and some needle nose pliers and remove the top. Notice there is a sticker inside that illustrates the jumpers that we actually need to change. Again, we want 3 stereo pair outputs from the 1 stereo pair input that we are working with. So we'll need to move both channel 1 jumpers and both channel 2 jumpers to the channel 3 position. Notice that there's 4 jumpers that we'll need to change. Once we've made those jumper adjustments, we're pretty much done. Each channel will have its own gain adjustments, allowing complete control over each pair. The matrix is a solution for just about every multi-channel setup you may run across. The new AV head units with 5.1 outs, the standard front-rear sub scenarios, or just 1 or 2 stereo pairs. It can accommodate just about anything you throw at it. You can also use it as a distribution amplifier for just sub-signals. For many configuration headaches, the matrix is a great solution.